Capricorn, welcome back to my channel, and today we are going to read the cards for you for the month of December 2020. This month and this reading is only about your relationships. Relationships can be with anyone. Don't always, relate relationships from a romantic angle. It can be a relationship with your mother, your father, sister, friends, people around you, uncle, aunt, can be anyone. So this is relationship. Okay. Before we start, I would like to share my contact numbers with you so that if you want to get your personalized readings done, you can reach me easily. Reach me on 8489011791. Email me on blossomlifetarot@gmail.com and visit my website www.blossomlifetarot.com. Getting ahead. The very first week. The first week of December is all about movements and letting go. Justice will be served. So many phrases for you. And why do I say so? You need to make up your mind, and maybe somewhere partially you have made up your mind that this is what I don't want to do, and this thing or this person I don't want to be with. So that thing you have really make up, and you have accepted that in your mind, they're your mind, and then you are letting that go. Okay, so letting go is something which is there in your cards, which is a part of your cards, and here you are moving, letting go. There are a few ego issues also I see in the month of December first week for you. So this ego issues are something to do with you, your partner, and you both are not able to talk to each other because of ego issues. You want to let go of things, let go of relationships rather than let go of egoistic issues or something. So you're very adamant there. Okay. And also a lot of you, few of you who are dealing with an with some legal thing, or something you have done in past, there will be justice served for you. So justice is getting served to you in the month of December first week. What you did, you will get that back. That's what I feel here for you guys. So that's something you need to be very very careful of, Capricorn, because letting go, leaving things behind is very easy rather than managing a relationship and then being there on that in that relationship for a long time and managing and adjusting with the person. So think wisely, think nicely before you actually make up your mind and leave the person behind. Okay. Second week. Now, second and third week both. Why I'm really talking about third week also together, because both the cards are quite similar in nature from picture perspective, but from a meaning perspective also, yes. And I will show you both the cards later. Um, you have a desire in mind. Now you have a desire of having a very good family, stable background, stable income, and good life altogether with your partner. But then that is not happening. And why is that not happening? Because your expectations are a little unrealistic in current situation. So things are not going to happen the way you want them to happen. But then your focus is entirely on something which is not happening. Your focus is not there, which is which can happen and which is the reality of your life. So reality vis-a-vis your imagination or illusion is something where you're struggling in the month of December, and this is why you're having troubles in relationship also, because you are not accepting your reality, Capricorn, in here. Okay, desires are important. We all have that, but then how realistic it can be, how real is that, or that can reach to a realistic situation or state. That's something which is more important. Okay, third week. Now third week I was talking about third week together, second together with the second week, because both the cards are talking about same state of mind. This is a continuation of thoughts. Sad person, disappointed person, on focused on something which doesn't exist. Sad person, disappointed person who's focused on what he lost rather than what he gained. Both the energies are talking from same perspective. Relationships are important. Don't put extra pressure on your partner. Don't put extra unrealistic pressure on your partner which he or she is will not be able to take, and your expectation will remain the same. Oh, the person should behave in this set manner, but then ask the other person also, is he really interesting giving that much of investment from his end, or is he in a state of mind to give that kind of investment in from that perspective? If he or she is not, then you can't pressurize the person. Don't do that. And whatever you are doing right now, anyways, that is going to change, because my favorite card has appeared in the reading, and that is the Death. Death is bringing changes here. That is bringing forceful changes in your life. Forceful can be mean. We can, the meaning of forceful can be that you might get out of a relationship, you might get into a relationship, a new relationship, leaving the old one behind, or you can be in a situation where positive changes will come your way, but then after a bitter experience altogether, Capricorn. So be ready for that, and that is important for you to know. Okay. Third week is something, and fourth week are like, brother and sister sibling, sister companies. So you have same similar feelings, similar emotions. The only difference is second week is more focused on desires, rather than third week will bring changes in your life. This is the difference between these two cards. Fourth week is going to be a positive week in comparison to first, second, or third week. Fourth week will bring you something new in relationship, some new beginning, emotional strength, emotional changes in life, and these are unexpected things. You were not expected them. So just imagine this card is turning out to be this card. So look at the drastic change you will have in life from a negative to positive jump. So it is a good jump, drastic jump you are making here in December, from third week to fourth week, from a negative person to a positive person. Your partner will act like your strength. You will have a lot of strength and back of your partner for you. That's beautiful. It is nice energy. And I will say, be away from alcohol, be away from any kind of addictive behaviors, because that's something you need to take care of very well in the month of December, Capricorn. And quickly we will pull a card for you, which is your relationship area card. I will take one advice from the angels, and we will take one advice from the relationship deck for an important message for you. It says, release your ex. You think too much about your ex energies. You think about too much about your ex partners or partner. So please release that, because that is blocking your way to be completely dedicated in your current relationship, Capricorn. You need to work towards that very, very well. And it's here. Cut your cords. See, both the cards are talking from that perspective only. You need to release your ex energies. You need to release your ex. You need to release your past attachments, old memories, because that is blocking your way, Capricorn. So have a lesson, learn your lesson, and just, these are destructive patterns which are actually not adding any value to your life, but then they are making your life miserable because of their presence in your life. So get out of it. It's not worth it. Trust me, it is not worth it. Okay. Take care, goodbye, have fun, and be happy, be nice to people around you, and enjoy yourself. Bye bye.